All right, so it's good to clean your machines every 3 to 6 months, depending on how many times you use it. First, you get a Q-tip, dip it in alcohol. You just kind of want to clean the inside compartment, remove any excess residue, dirt, ink, whatever might have gotten in there. Then you inspect the motor, remove any excess residue on that as well with a Q-tip or paper towel. You just really want to detail this thing. Every component needs to be analyzed. Anything excess needs to be removed. Because remember, if you guys overlube your machines, it's going to avoid the warranty, the machine's not going to work, so you got to be careful not to overlube as well. You use a paper towel, spray some alcohol on the paper towel, and then kind of wipe down your machine. You do not want to spray alcohol or any liquid on the machine itself. And you want to clean the slide chamber with a Q-tip, dipped in alcohol. Sort of helps remove everything. Again, this is like detailing your car. You just want to detail every part of this machine. Once you do that, if you are using MADAZIDE, spray everything on a paper towel first. Again, don't spray anything onto your machine direct. Clean the machine gently. No motor inside. This is just the body of it, making sure you've removed anything that you do not want on the machine. And remember, let's be hygienic. Always wear gloves while doing maintenance.